Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another non-phone work from home job lead. I am very excited to share this one because they are hiring throughout North America. So it is not United States only. It is anywhere in North America. So this is going to include people that are normally left out, such as my Canadians, Puerto Ricans, all of y'all are included. The company Netlify is hiring a support associate. Now, this is a remote work from home job. It's non-phone. Their support is going to be mainly through email, through Zendesk, and it is a entry-level position. It is also a Monday through Friday job. No weekends are required. You'll basically be triaging their incoming help desk requests from their customers. You'll be using their routing process to make sure their help desk tickets get put in the correct queues in Zendesk for their support engineers to work on, and you'll be answering the customers' questions about the administrative and billing issues. You'll be paired with one of their engineers as your onboarding buddy, so they're going to completely train you on how to answer these tickets and emails. Some examples of the ticket types you may answer is transferring websites from one customer to another, reviewing customer domains, open source plan approvals, and renewing the site SSL certificates. Now, while the actual work position is non-phone, you may have one-on-one calls with your teammates, so meetings with your managers and teammates to work on different projects. Now, they are not requiring any kind of a college degree for this position. They are looking for somebody who loves learning, who has excellent research, analyzation, and triaging skills, someone who can be organized and be great at spotting those trends. Of course, you have to have great communication skills and the ability to work independently. Now, they do kind of want someone who is familiar with web, HTML, and all of those things. And again, of course, it says they welcome candidates based all over North America time zones. Now, if this sounds like something for you, of course, pay is always going to be dependent on location and experience, but they pay anywhere from $37,500 a year all the way up to $50,500 a year. All right, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, feel free to leave anything in the comments specific to what you are looking for. I do read those and keep an eye out when I am searching for job leads to share. I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.